Like, I could do a whole intro with this. Like, hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, and you are now watching D Beauty channel. Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, and I'm back with another video. Y'all already know what it is. Like, y'all seen the title, y'all read about it, y'all seen it. Y'all seen it. And it's all about this wig. It's all about this wig. This is a synthetic wig, by the way, and it was under $50. Matter of fact, let me tell you what's really going on. So I look crazy because y'all know I'm about to put this on. This wig is called Elim Short Curly Kinky Wigs for Black Women. Fluffy, wavy, black synthetic wig. My fault. I'm gonna start over because this is long. Alright. Elim Short Curly Kinky Wigs for Black Women. Fluffy, wavy, black synthetic hair wig. Natural looking wigs. Heat resistant wigs with wig cap. Okay? 250 gram Z014, and the whole title, it don't even tell you what color it is. This is a black 1B. It's the most natural looking color they had, so that's what I was going for. So right now my hair is in like this little weird bun thing kind that we got going on. So let's unbox this. Y'all, my light might go in and out of focus because the box is like light as hell. So this is it right here. I already set the whole name for you guys. It has only for you over here, and I'll have the link and everything down below in the description box. This video is not sponsored. This was not sent to me, honey. So let's just open it up, honey. Why am I speaking like that? So anyways, this is how the wig comes. It's in a net. We just want to take her out. Oh, she's kind of thick. Alright, so it comes with some earrings, a wig brush, a netted wig cap, a wig cap for skin tone, and some thank you cards, which is always so nice to receive. And you also get a wig bag to put your wig back in. This have no logo on it, so this is cute. So yeah. Okay, so this is the wig here. Like I said, it comes with a net. Also comes with some paper inside. So for a synthetic wig, this comes packaged really, really good. Normally they'll come in that big plastic container, and so this is cool, and it comes with a whole bunch of gifts, which you normally don't get from your beauty supply store, or if you just shop online anyway. But this is really cute, and again, I did get this wig from Amazon. So it's cute though. I like the curls. I like the bounce. My hair, okay, perfect. So it's about the same darkness as my real hair. I mean, it ain't gonna look realistic because there's no lace. There's no combs in the inside. But it does come with adjustable strap. Okay, so this is the wig. Like I said, it looks really cute. It comes with a tag, so you know it's new. What I'm about to do is go ahead, put my hair down. I'll come back on with the wig cap, and then I'll put on a wig for you guys as well. Okay, y'all, so I have the wig cap on. It is the darkest shade, but like I said, this doesn't have any lace, so the wig cap color doesn't even matter at this point. So we're just gonna put this on. I sound nervous, right? So I'm gonna just close my eyes. So far, stretch is really good, and I'm happy you don't have any combs because I barely wear combs anyway when I wear a wig. So it's cute. Is it cute or nah? Oh, okay, nah. Okay. I can't even see. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Baby girl. Baby girl. It's soft though. I'll give you that much. I'm just looking in the mirror. It's soft though. Just gonna. This curl is nice. This curl is nice. I don't even care, y'all. I'm just going in like this. Ain't no shedding either. Okay, so I can't see. Alright, so if you're like me and you don't have no forehead, this could be just a little bit too long, but you could cut it. This is kind of cute. This is kind of cute though. Hold on. I just needed to really be out there. Here's the back. Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and play with this wig and I'll be back just to see what it's giving. So far, I see the potential. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is how the wig look. So for the whole review on it, it is very soft. You could definitely play with it. You could cut it shorter if you need to. This is about 16 inches. And also you could cut the bang. If you have barely a forehead like myself, you could just cut it a little bit shorter like I did. And of course, you could play around with it. You could recurl it with your fingers just to help define it. But it's really soft. You could play with it. It does go, let's see. It's big head friendly, like big head friendly. What you mean? You know you watch a lot of TikTok when you start talking like this. But yeah, it's no lace, of course, like I said before. It goes ear to ear. If it was lace, it'll be so many different styles you could do with it, like pull it back. But it's not. But this is it. Like, I could do a whole intro with this. Like, hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, and you are now watching D Beauty channel. Should that be my intro? You are now watching D Beauty. Forever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Like I said, subscribe. Also, give this video a like or whatever. Check out my website, dinadesigning.com, for all art purposes. If you need a logo, if you need anything, definitely contact me on dinadesigning.com, and we could do some things. We could work together. Like, what's up? Other than that, like I said, I'll see you guys in the next one.